Hello, it's a nice day. My name is Galaxie, and today I'm gonna teach you adding titles in Kdenlive. Let's get started. Let's open Kdenlive. So, I'm gonna teach you adding titles today. Before that, let's rewind some of the previous video episode about the project import. From the project bin, we can import the folder, and I'm just gonna import the folder. Here it is, my samples, and it will just load. Here it is. You just need to drag and drop your video and your music. And now I'm gonna create the title. To create the title, you just need to right click and you just need to click on add title clip and double press on it. You need to do something. You need to add text. Add title Kdenlive. Maybe just Kdenlive. Add another title below that. Adding title. You can change the font of your choice. You can make it bigger. Let's say maybe 400. That's too big. Maybe 200. And you can align. You can align wherever you like. I'm just gonna centerize it. And I'm just gonna give the bold and give some shadow. And I'm just gonna put the title Kdenlive adding title. And gonna give some image logo. And you can just scale it out, maybe 50% or 20. Just keep it like this. You can also put the shadows, change the text size, the font of your choice, and you can scale it out, and also some jet index. If your text or images overlap each other, you can always increase or decrease the jet index. And once you are done, you just create the title by hitting this button, and it will just load. Now you just drag and go to the corner, just pull it to the right side, and also click on the audio. Now let's see how it looks like. Just go to project monitor and hit the play button. It just show your title. Just adjust it according to your likes. So this is how you add the title. That's it, guys. If you feel like you got some knowledge from it, please do subscribe so I could grow my channel and I could make more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye. See ya.